Hi, I am Rupal Gupta. Welcome to the mathematics classes. Today, we will solve all the questions of exercise 1.2. Before solving exercise, I request you to watch my previous video on the number line. It will cover all the major concepts to solve this exercise. The link is given in the description. Let's solve part 1 of question number 1 is to represent the 7 by 4 on the number line. Always remember the fraction itself will tell us the position of it on the number line. Here the number 4 indicates the number of equal division between the two consecutive numbers on the number line. Since the number is positive, we will perform the division on the right side. And the numerator 7 indicates that we have to count 7 parts starting from 0. This is the number line. We will divide each unit from the 0 on the right side. We have divided each equal spacing between numbers into 4 parts क्योंकि यहाँ denominator 4 है. Counting from 0, the 7th part will be our number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our fraction 7 by 4. And the distance from the 0 is 7 by 4. We can also see the numerator is greater than the denominator 4, so this number is greater than 1. We can write it in the mixed fraction form. Since the numerator is greater than the denominator, after dividing 7 by 4, we get quotient as 1 and remainder 3. So the number can be written as 1 3 by 4. This whole number 1 indicates that the fraction is greater than 1 and less than 2. And fraction 3 by 4 provides us the same information as before, that is to divide the line in 4 equal parts between 1 and 2. And count the 3 parts starting from 1. After dividing in 4 parts, counting 1, 2, 3, this is our fraction 3 by 4. And distance from 0 is 7 by 4. इस मेथड से सॉल्व करने पर हमें लाइन को स्टार्टिंग से डिवाइड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, केवल उन नंबर्स के बीच डिवाइड करना है जिनके बीच ये नंबर लाई करेगा. यहाँ 1 और 2 के बीच है तो हमें केवल इस डिस्टेंस को ही डिवाइड करना है. दिस इज पार्ट 2 ऑफ क्वेश्चन 1. द फ्रैक्शन इज -5 by 6. न्यूमरेटर 5 छोटा है डिनोमिनेटर 6 से, तो ये नंबर 1 से छोटा होगा. यहाँ पर 5 इंडिकेट करता है कि हमें 5 पार्ट्स इंक्लूड करना है 0 से. बट हियर दिस नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेट दैट द नंबर विल बी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड फ्रॉम 0. Hence, the number will lie in between -1 and 0. The next number 6, which means we need to divide the line from -1 to 0 in 6 equal parts. And after dividing it and counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the position of -5 by 6 would be here. Question number 2. To show the position of these numbers, first we will see whether they are greater than 1 or less than 1. Here negative sign indicates the direction which is left side of 0. So simply compare the numerator and denominator. 2, 5 and 9 are all less than 11. So the number is less than 1. Each numerator is less than denominator. नेगेटिव साइन की वजह से ये नंबर लेफ्ट साइड में और 1 से छोटे होने के कारण -1 और 0 के बीच लाई करेगा. We will divide the line into 11 equal parts between -1 and 0. To locate -2 by 11, we will count 2 parts from 0. So 1, 2, this is our -2 by 11. We are going in left direction, that is why all numbers are negative and less than 0. 3, 4, 5, this is our next number. -5 by 11. 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our final number. -9 by 11. For the rest of the number, we can show here starting from minus 0 upon 11 to minus 11 upon 11. Our next question is related to finding a number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. We will talk about the procedure and then we will take the question 3 to 7. जब भी हमें दो रेशनल नंबर्स के बीच नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने होंगे तो सबसे पहले हम डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करेंगे बाय टेकिंग एप्रोप्रिएट एलसीएम. सपोज आवर नंबर्स आर 1/5 एंड 1/2. हमें इनके बीच रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करना है. हियर द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर 5 and 2, so the LCM is 10. In next part, we will count all the integers between the numerator on the number line. यहाँ न्यूमरेटर 2 and 5 है, तो नंबर लाइन पर 2 और 5 के बीच में जितने भी नंबर हैं उसे लिखेंगे जैसे कि 3 और 4. In this part, write each of the integer whether it's positive or negative, but it should lies between the numerator. Here we get only two positive numbers, that is 3 and 4. Now we will assign each of these integers 10 as denominator. सबके डिनोमिनेटर सेम होंगे और डिनोमिनेटर वही होंगे जैसे कि हमने पहले एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करने के बाद मिला. So we get our two numbers that are between 2/10 and 5/10, or we can say that these numbers lie between 1/5 and 1/2. Since this is only two numbers, what if we need more? In this case, we will convert the numerator by appropriate factor to increase the gap. Here we have chosen 5, so we will multiply by 5 in numerator and denominator for both numbers. It will increase the gap between the numerator just like here 10 and 25. If we write the number between 10 and 25, that would be 11, 12, 13 up to 24. And after assigning the same denominator 50 to each integers, we get these 14 numbers between 10/50 and 25/50. These numbers are also in between the 1/5 and 1/2 as well. हम हमेशा एलसीएम लेकर इनके बीच के नंबर को फाइंड आउट करेंगे और अगर नंबर कम है तो इंक्रीज करने के लिए किसी सुटेबल फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जैसे कि हमने 5 में किया था. और अगर हमें पहले से पता है कि सिंपली एलसीएम लेने पर भी नंबर कम है तो पहले स्टेप में ही हम 10 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं गैप बढ़ाने के लिए. Question number 3. To find the number that are less than 2, we can select any number on the left side from 2. All these numbers are less than 2 like 1, 0, -1, -2 and so on. Always remember on the number line, every number is less than to its immediate right and more than to its immediate left. For example, here 4 is less than its right number, that is 5, and more than 3, which is on the left of 4. Similarly, on the negative side as well, -5 is less than -4 and more than -6. To find 5 numbers less than 2, we can take any 5 on the left side. But what if we need only in between 0 and 2? We can write it as 0/1 and 2/1, and we can multiply it by 3 for both numbers without affecting the equality of denominator. So number becomes 0/3 and 6/3. Now we have 5 number as 1/3 to 5/3. They are all less than 2. हम एक मल्टीप्लायर चूज करने के बाद 0 और 6 के बीच के इंटीजर्स लिखेंगे और सबके नीचे सेम डिनोमिनेटर 3 यूज करेंगे. For question number 4, we will do same thing. We will make the denominator same for numbers -2/5 and 1/2. And then we get minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. So after writing the numbers in between, we get minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10 to 4 by 10. But this is only 7 numbers. We need 10. जैसे कि हमने पहले पढ़ा था कि किसी भी फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करके हम न्यूमरेटर का गैप बढ़ा सकते हैं. After multiplying by 2, we get nearly 17 numbers starting from minus 7 upon 20 to 9 upon 20. हमें अगर और नंबर चाहिए तो हम 2 की जगह और बड़े नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. For question 5, part 1, to find the 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, we will take the suitable LCM to make the denominator equal. Here LCM is 15, hence number becomes 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. We get only one number in between them, that is 11 upon 15. क्योंकि केवल 11 ही 10 और 12 के बीच में है. But we need 5 numbers, so we will change the multiplier, and after multiplying by 3, we get new numbers 30 by 45 and 36 by 45. Now we have 5 numbers. हमेशा इस बात का ध्यान रखना कि डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल होने चाहिए, इसलिए सबसे पहले एलसीएम लेकर डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल करना है. फिर एट द सेम टाइम हम एक डिफरेंट नंबर से दोनों ही फ्रैक्शन को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर 3 से किया है. नाउ वी गेट हियर आवर 5 नंबर फ्रॉम 31 upon 45 to 35 upon 45. For question 5 part 2, we again take the LCM as 6. Here our initial numbers minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3 becomes minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. We get 18 numbers this time, and we can take any 5 numbers from here. For question 5 part 3, the numbers are 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. If we take LCM 4, so we will multiply only 1 by 2 by 2 in the numerator and denominator, so we get 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, but there is no integers between 1 and 2. So we will multiply by 8 to the original numbers 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 to increase the gap. Now the numbers becomes 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. After writing the integers between 8 and 16 like 9, 10, 11 up to 15 and assigning each integers 32 as denominator, we will get these numbers. We can choose any 5 numbers and all will lies in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. For question number 6, to write the number greater than minus 2, we can choose any number on the right side starting from minus 2. हर नंबर राइट साइड में अपने लेफ्ट साइड के नंबर से बड़ा होता है, तो -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 यहाँ सब -2 से बड़े हैं और रेशनल नंबर भी हैं. बट अगर केवल हमें -2 और -1 के बीच ही 5 रेशनल नंबर चाहिए, तो उस केस में we have to apply the same method as earlier. Let us find 5 number between -2 and -1. We can write it as here -2 upon 1 and -1 upon 1. And after multiplying with 8 to all the numbers, we get -16 upon 8 and -8 upon 8. We can take any 5 from here. They are all greater than -2 but less than -1. For question number 7, we need 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So from step 1, we are going to increase the gap, but the same time we have to ensure that the denominator should be equal. Hence, if we multiply 3 by 5 by 16 in numerator and denominator and multiply 20 to 3 by 4 as here, our number becomes 48 upon 80 and 60 upon 80. Here the denominator is equal. Now we can consider any 10 number between them. Thank you so much for watching the videos. If it helps you to understand the concept, then please do like, share and subscribe. Stay safe, take care.